Hello, next community. So I thought I'd show you the revised screensaver. We apparently had a controversial figure, and so Mr. Yahoo was removed. I don't understand. Okay, do screensaver. Oh. Buzz Aldrin, astronaut. I'm going to try and get most of them. He was GPS getting, invented GPS. Head of E-Trade, I think it's Halligan. Hewlett Packard, first black or person of color to graduate. Con Mendoza, I think it's Polar CEO. I am Pei, architect. Ben Bernanke, the Fed chair. Tim Berners-Lee, there's my computer center stage at the Olympics, inventor of the web. Mr. Bose, Albert Einstein. Richard Feynman, O-rings. Bob Lazar, he may or may not have gone to MIT. It's interesting his photo stays up there longer. Area 51, UFOs, UAPs. Conspiracy of why his photo stays there longer when everybody else is just a few seconds. Tesla. BuzzFeed, Peretti, and he actually worked at MIT Media Labs. Porter. Thane, and I believe he's still at MIT. Thompson. Wong, Dancing with the Stars. Doc Brown. Fadausi, he invented Dropbox. All right, so let's see, we'll make this a little bit longer. Let's go ahead and do more adventures on the Solutions Suite. So what I'm going to do is launch the app, and I'll let him kind of give some real world examples of how Next and GS Corp and their apps were used in real world trading situations. Let's see if I've got sound here, and we will adjust that just a little bit. Hopefully I'm getting it right. If I click these little things in the lower left corner, it's got a little contest, so I can win a trip to Next World in '94. May the 4th be with you. Okay. Hopefully I'm not blasting it out here. Dan Ruby, editor of Next World.
Listen to the mainstream players in the software marketplace, and you keep hearing how object technology is destined to change the way we use computers. But if you want to see how that is already happening today, come with me on a tour of Chicago's investment markets, where NeXTstep is playing a central role in transforming the world of financial trading. Hi, I'm Dan Ruby, the former editor and publisher of Next World magazine and the guest editor for Serving Financial Services, the second CDrom in GS Corporation's Solutions Suite series. I am very pleased to have worked with a great team of people, most especially project leader Julie Safran, to present this look at NeXTstep in the financial services market. Nowhere has NeXTstep's impact been felt as much as here in the trading firms lining Chicago's LaSalle Street, where the revolution in object technology has coincided with the revolution in investment opportunities. Once a regional market for agricultural commodities, Chicago's financial markets now lead the world in all types of trades for futures, options, and derivatives. In this fast-changing environment, NeXTstep's object technology allows financial firms to create new products and analytical tools much more quickly than is possible with traditional methods. For early adopters in the financial markets, NeXTstep has proved to be a potent competitive weapon. And now that it's available on industry-standard PCs and workstations, it is spreading rapidly to all corners of the financial world. NeXTstep is also spreading within these companies, up from the trading floor and into the general offices of banks and investment firms. Applied throughout a company, NeXTstep's strengths in collaborative computing and graphic communications turn out to be as important a competitive advantage as is custom application development. Our package of interactive articles about NeXTstep in financial services is the gateway to a treasury of information, product demos, and unlockable software on this disk. On behalf of GS Corporation, which brings you the Solutions Suite CD in partnership with Canon Computer Systems, I invite you to take a leap forward into the world of object computing with NeXTstep.
So I was fortunate enough to be able to integrate some systems for First Bank, Nations Bank, as well.
Beginning in the 1980s, the go-go financial markets on LaSalle Street in Chicago created a revolution in investment by opening new trading opportunities in futures, options, and derivatives. Taking advantage of the wide-open market, a handful of innovative investment firms found they could identify opportunities and develop financial products more quickly by employing an object-oriented software development environment. The first company to aggressively apply NeXTstep to derivatives trading, O'Connor & Associates, was soon acquired by the Swiss Bank Corporation, which took the lead in applying the technology to the financial risk management needs of international clients. Swiss Bank's success was quickly noticed, and competitive institutions began their own development programs using NeXTstep. Today, First Chicago Bank and Nations Bank are among the growing list of investment firms with a major commitment to NeXTstep. In addition to NeXTstep's software development advantages, these companies have discovered its benefits as an integrated application environment. By combining the suite of commercial software applications with their own custom software, they were able to increase the quality of communication and coordination between organizations. Now that NeXTstep runs on a wide range of hardware platforms, the winds of change in Chicago are blowing even stronger. The upcoming release of OpenStep, the operating system independent version of NeXTstep for market-leading workstations, will bring the technology to virtually every leading company in the financial industry. The NeXTstep breeze in Chicago has turned into a global weather system, affecting financial markets around the world.
As I say, pretty cool stuff.
GS has developed technology for scanning, printing, color management, OCR, and visual databases, and has exclusive sales and marketing rights for Virtuoso, the premier illustration and layout package. Our strategy: leverage the benefits of object-oriented design as we expand our library of robust software modules. GS has considerable experience understanding the issues of workgroup productivity. We take the time to carefully evaluate our customers' individual needs. In concert with partners like Canon USA, we design and implement solutions from office automation to design-intensive workflows. GS demonstrates its commitment to its customers through consulting services, technical support, and sales and marketing programs. Innovative information delivery systems, like the Solutions Suite CD, make it as easy as possible for customers to evaluate the wide range of NeXTstep software and hardware solutions available today. Our team includes software designers, engineers, logistics experts, graphic designers, and customer service and marketing professionals. We're committed to providing the results you need. Give us a call. We look forward to the chance to understand your problems and develop a solution.
I don't really care for this graphic too much.
Financial services companies often look to outside specialists for the skills to help them re-engineer their businesses. They find the community of NeXTstep third-party developers and consultants to be a rich resource for such services as consulting, training, networking expertise, and custom application development. IT Solutions work with First Continental Trading and Pan-Pacific Software's work with Nicholas Applegate Capital Management are prime examples of the unique marriage between financial services companies and developers with NeXTstep skills. First Continental Trading, a Chicago commodities trading firm, knew that custom application development with NeXTstep was a way to gain a competitive advantage. But the firm lacked the internal expertise to build the applications, so it engaged IT Solutions to help their traders make markets in various financial instruments. ITS developed Marketeer, a custom application that allows traders to manipulate a variety of financial variables making up an instrument, thus determining a price at which the trader is willing to buy or sell it. Saving time and money, lots of money. Nicholas Applegate is a San Diego-based firm managing portfolios for Fortune 500 clients. The firm has worked for the last 2 years with Pan-Pacific Software to produce a set of NeXTstep-based applications for viewing real-time, portfolio, and historical information. The software includes a library for accessing real-time data independent of proprietary information providers, so that Nicholas Applegate's custom applications are not tied to any single feed or distribution system. These custom applications integrate with other NeXTstep third-party applications like spreadsheets, report generators, and graphing packages. NeXTstep features, such as object linking and services, have allowed both ITS and Pan-Pacific Software to create highly integrated environments for their financial services customers, and that's a big win.
So this was kind of the precursor to tools like eBay's Thinkorswim, if you think about it.
Often, the difference between winning and losing in the financial markets is having access to the best information. NeXTstep is an ideal system for linking real-time information to winning financial transactions. Here's how it works in the energy industry. In Mexico City, a trader with Pemex, the state-owned oil company, receives a message that a key oil well will have lower production for the month. An analysis of current prices shows that North Sea oil can be bought to make up the shortfall, and the trader places a buy order. In New York, another trader working for the North Sea producer notices a sudden uptick in the price for North Sea crude. He sends a message to the operations department in London, requesting a production increase from oil rigs in the North Sea. Early the next morning, a production manager in London increases the demand requirements for North Sea operations, sending a message to shift operators on the rigs themselves. At each step of the way, from Mexico City to New York to London to the workers in the field, NeXTstep real-time information systems close the feedback loop between buyers and sellers. Traders with the best access to information can spot opportunities in the short-lived mismatches between supply and demand. With NeXTstep in the energy industry, real-time is money.
Very cool examples. Nothing else compared with NeXTstep and the integration in the early 90s. And it gave a lot of companies, an excellent advantage or competitive advantage. They didn't want to let their competitors know about Next. And that's the truth. Oh, this is cool. The
Canon's
Canon
business philosophy revolves around what we learn in the field. From the Pacific Northwest to the Pacific Rim, we listen to the most important source in the industry, our customer. No one is making money if a business isn't running. So when customers come to Canon with problems, we provide solutions. Canon's Object Station 41 is one solution that leverages object-oriented technology, allowing customers to manipulate and reuse objects in real time, solving critical business problems, saving money, making money. We designed this powerful commercial workstation from scratch to optimize object-oriented technologies like NeXTstep. The Object Station 41 means faster development and faster deployment. For Canon, power is the object. And because object-oriented computing insists on robust video performance, we engineered the Object Station 41 to deliver video that's dramatically faster than any machine in its class. Faster video, but no compromise in audio, LAN, or SCSI performance. For the financial services market, this kind of power means progress. It means profit, and it means success. Combined with third-party software applications from NeXTstep developers like GS Corporation and White Light Systems, Canon offers you the most efficient means of organizing and using your business assets. It gets better. Canon's proven strengths in imaging technology provide customers with a total solution. We're accommodating the needs of today while pioneering the office of tomorrow. Canon offers a range of products, from color copiers to scanners, from fax solutions to high-speed output, all integrated to provide superior desktop publishing and printing capabilities. It's a total office solution. With Canon, you get original and innovative products and services, creatively engineered and solidly supported, with the sole purpose of keeping you one step ahead of your competitors. Canon, a sound investment.
So Canon had invested $155 million in Next, created the original Next optical drive, and that was the first optical drive on the planet. And it was kind of a flop, slow, but years ahead of its time. They also did the Next laser printers, and that $155 million investment actually paid off when Apple came back and bought Next. And it's interesting because Canon took over the Next hardware production line, which was the most advanced production line in the world at that time, and made Canon object stations. And I've had a few of them. I've never seen a black one, but they are pretty cool, just a little bit larger footprint than a Next workstation. And if anybody has any of them out there, please let me know. I'd be interested. So I'm going to go ahead and move on. And I actually did quite a bit of business with Canon out of Japan. I don't really care for this graphic too much either. Just, I don't know, it looks primitive or something.
Welcome to Empire Trust, a composite of several financial services companies that have moved beyond mission-critical custom applications on the trading floor to mission-critical communications in their sales and marketing departments. For Empire's brokers, traders, and salespeople, mission-critical marketing means staying in front of the customer with information-dense presentations, reports, letters, and routine communications. In an age when many aggressive financial firms are all chasing the same pool of investment dollars, effective marketing translates to competitive advantage. Empire gains its edge through the use of NeXTstep's rich set of graphical publishing tools to convey information to sales prospects and to service existing customers. The tools make it possible to leverage Empire's institutional knowledge, reduce the cost of customer service, and encourage entrepreneurship throughout the firm. Some examples. While most financial services firms go to client meetings with overly general, prepackaged sales presentations, Empire's slideshows are highly graphical, timely, and customized to the specific opportunity. Empire's small marketing department produces materials such as a monthly newsletter that give it the presence of a bigger firm without the use of expensive outside marketing services. Empire's training department began by producing materials for in-house needs, but has now begun to offer investment seminars as a new customer service and profit center. This year, Empire will produce a multimedia supplement to its annual report on a CD-ROM, giving customers the ability to export live financial information to spreadsheets and databases for deeper analysis. The tools for doing all this were readily available to Empire under its standard desktop operating environment, NeXTstep. For hardware, Empire relies on object station computers and color input and output devices from Canon USA. Software for presentations, document design, charting, illustration, and color production comes from a wide range of NeXTstep developers working in concert with GS Corporation. A key piece of software for leveraging corporate design resources is GS's Collage Palette, which serves as the central repository for all kinds of sales and marketing information. NeXTstep first took hold at Empire among financial analysts developing new trading software, but its impact has been felt at least as much in sales and marketing, where new business is up and customers are more satisfied. What could be more mission-critical than that?
Okay. That's kind of a weird graphic here, too. What if I click this? No. I think it might play something, but I hope it doesn't. All right. Let's just go up here.
For anyone who still associates NeXT with proprietary black hardware, we have news for you. Information technology buyers in the financial services industry can choose from a surprising array of Intel 486 Pentium and RISC-based systems. This makes it possible to deploy a company-wide NeXTstep strategy with different types of systems allocated to the appropriate application. In the general office, financial services companies deploy desktop Intel systems for group productivity and graphic communications. One outstanding option for a NeXTstep optimized Intel box is Canon's ObjectStation 41, which was designed from scratch to unleash the power of NeXTstep objects. With its 100 megahertz Intel 486 DX4 processor, onboard SCSI and Ethernet, CD quality audio, built-in microphone, speaker, CD-ROM, and NeXT-specific keyboard, it is as close as you'll find to an original NeXTstation. It even comes in black. Used together with Canon's line of graphics-related peripherals, including color copiers, bubble jet printers, and high-speed scanners, the ObjectStation 41 makes an ideal system in sales and marketing applications. Increasingly, financial firms are looking to portable computers for use by mobile executives and salespeople. NEC's line of Versa notebooks offers a selection of hosts for NeXTstep users on the go. The Versa M's 100 megahertz 486 chip, 16-bit 800 by 600 active matrix color display, PCM-CIA expandability, and built-in multimedia features make it a top choice for off-site sales presentations.
Get it fired up.
Downstairs on the trading floor, financial services firms typically deploy high-speed Unix workstations as client desktops and network servers. Ports of NeXTstep are now, or soon will be, available for RISC workstations made by Sun Microsystems, Hewlett-Packard, and Digital Equipment.
All of which
Hewlett-Packard's line of Series 700 and 800 PA RISC systems offers a complete solution for a NeXTstep trading system.
Online
Series 800 servers can handle central databases and real-time data feeds, while the Model 712 is an ideal desktop workstation for traders, analysts, and programmers. HP also offers its own brand of Intel-based PCs. The new arrival on the NeXTstep block is Sun Microsystems, whose Spark architecture leads the pack in workstations for financial services. Spark Station computers are ideally suited for running NeXTstep because of their fast CPUs, 24-bit accelerated graphics, high-performance Ethernet, and integrated multimedia features.
And they're very
like
heavy.
PA RISC, Spark is a highly scalable architecture with system choices ranging from portables to desktop and server systems all the way up to supercomputers. These 4 computer lines are just the tip of the iceberg in computer hardware for NeXTstep users. Every computer certified for use with NeXTstep is listed in the NeXTstep Hardware Compatibility Guide. Click the button on the screen to go to the document library to view or print the September '94 edition of the guide. Revisions to the guide occur regularly, so call NeXT at 1-800-TRY-NEXT to make sure you always have the latest one.
Cool stuff. Wait, we want to jump back there. Hold on.
NeXTstep has been taking Wall Street by storm, and it won't stop there. Now, NeXTstep is available on powerful HP PA RISC workstations. Next and Hewlett-Packard created Object Enterprise to deliver the benefits of object software on the full range of HP systems. NeXTstep for PA RISC, portable distributed objects for HP UX servers, and NeXTstep for HP's Intel-based PCs. Object Enterprise is an industrial-strength solution that allows you to develop custom apps faster, integrate seamlessly with legacy data, and deploy on fast, reliable HP systems. You can't afford to waste any more time. Find out what Object Enterprise can do for you by calling 1-800-TRY-NEXT.
Try next or call Rob Blessed at Black Hole Inc. 303-741-9998. 30 years later, it's a time warp. Where am I? I should be on there. They forgot Colorado.
GS Corporation and its reseller partners around the world are creating exciting object-oriented solutions using NeXTstep and a variety of third-party software and hardware products. From Taiwan to Times Square, the Solutions Suite CD is a showcase for enterprise solutions ranging from financial services to office automation to publishing. Simply click on the location buttons you see here to learn more about these resellers and the impact they're making worldwide.
Okay. We're not going to do each one of those, but it's good to know. So we're back to the software. And let's see, maybe I can do one of these. Which one haven't?
From the resources page, you can learn more about the third-party products available in the Solution Suite CD. Simply select a product from the index. Want to see a self-running Watch Me demo of the product? It's as easy as point and click. Maybe you'd like to know more about software and hardware products or the companies that provide them. Click on the Collage palette icon.
What do we do NeXTstep Interface Builder? This will be a good one. And then we'll call it a good, a good 30, 45-minute next commercial if it works. Is it thinking about it? Okay, I think I went through this the other day. So let's try one more. But I think what I have to do is drag and drop the Watch Me file over to the dock to get it to work. So we're going to call it for today, but I hope you enjoyed that presentation. And let's see, maybe there's something else here at the end. We'll kind of go through here. Yeah, they got a nice document library as well, which is cool. So you can see I'm kind of filling out all the letters. I'm getting closer. Oh, come on. How come I never knew about this? I'll still send it in. And there's the staff. Okay, we're going to call it. It's pretty well put together presentation. This is, at the very start of the World Wide Web. And so you would send CDs out. And we did one called the Alembic CD, but it was nowhere near the quality of this one. They did a really nice job. If anybody actually worked for GS Corp and is watching this, I'd love to hear from you. And if you're any of the authors of the software, please let me know. I've been working diligently to locate those authors, hear their stories, and see if it's possible to release them to the next community, the growing next community, I might add. So that being said, for hobbyists, I'm going to do, let's see, everything is still recording, so I'm going to go ahead over here and stay tuned, more fun stuff to come.